Hey guys, so we're in Ljubljana, which is the capital city of Slovenia. We've been here for a couple of days, we've done some washing, chilled out in the van, done some work, and today we're going to go into the city and explore. And it's like 10:30 in the morning and it's about 30 degrees, so it's going to be a hot day today.
We just noticed there was this tap at the bus stop, so I'm just going to use it to wet our hands and feet and legs to keep cool.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by.
Oh, it's a glass floor on the bridge.
My heart moves slow.
So we've just walked around the city and now we're just sitting in the shade for a little bit to work out what we're doing next, and we're just enjoying some music. Probably gonna have lunch soon, and I think we're also gonna go to the cinema because movies here are in English with Slovenian subtitles, so it'll be cool to see a movie because everywhere we've been they haven't been in English so far, and Maya and I love going to the cinema and would always go to the cinema heaps back in the UK. And it'll be a nice break from the heat and some air conditioning.
Great unknown, when I return from the after.
So Myron's found this place that he wants to walk through, and it's like cool looking, but it's also kind of creepy and scary.
Take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together. Take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
Feels pretty hot. 31 degrees. What's in there, Myron? Oh, look at it. So now we're in the prop caves and we're gonna go on a train.
Apparently it's like 2 miles long or something.
This might be the river that the tour guide said in winter it's much more full, but this is the river that was originally higher up and formed all the caves. It's got lower and lower and lower and it's still doing its thing. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.